do we do? Isn't it a bit too cute? Oh, it's perfect. Well, I need my magic harp to help me sleep.
What about a story? I love telling spooky stories on a sleepover.
But aren't you supposed to colour on a sleepover?
You're supposed to do lots of fun things on a sleepover. You don't actually want to sleep.
And what about the midnight feast? That's my favorite part.
Oh, want to pretend it's midnight now and go for a feast at Pip's Cafe?
Are you not too tired to go to Pip's?
Nope. Since you're all being so Glora, I'm actually awake now.
Air Rouse.
Race you there.
Not so Glorok, Cuán.
Brunner.